Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to make payments for your application fee via Paystack if you're in Nigeria. All you have to do is click on the Explore programs to select the program of your choice. Now we're going to be selecting a program that requires an application fee. After we've done that, we're going to view details, and then when you scroll down, you would see that the application fee is still mentioned. You would also see the program intake. Go ahead to create an application. Now select the session you're interested in, then click on the next button. This is where you're going to upload your passport, your university degree certificate, your transcript, your resume or CV. All you have to do is to click on the next button to go ahead. Now, if you're in Nigeria, select the Paystack option to pay via Paystack. Then you're going to see the application fee breakdown converted to your local currency in Naira. Then click on the next button to go ahead, and you'll see a window to select payment options via Zap, card, transfer, bank, USSD or OP. Select the option that best suits you and then go ahead to make payments. Once you have done that, your documents will be reviewed.